5 most painful femur fractures. Femoral shaft fracture, midshaft. This is a break along the long, straight part of the femur. It often results from high-energy trauma, such as car accidents or falls from height. Pain is intense due to the force required to break the bone, and the potential for severe bleeding and muscle damage. Complications include blood vessel injury and risk of fat embolism syndrome. Usually requires surgical fixation with rods or plates. Femoral neck fracture occurs just below the ball of the hip joint. Common in elderly patients due to falls, but also very painful and can disrupt blood supply to the femoral head, leading to a vascular necrosis. Often needs hip replacement surgery or fixation. Pain is severe and localized to the hip and groin area. Open, compound femur fracture. The broken bone pierces through the skin. This fracture is not only excruciatingly painful, but also carries a high risk of infection. Immediate surgical intervention is necessary. Pain is compounded by soft tissue injury and exposure of bone to the environment. Intertrochanteric femur fracture. Break occurs between the neck and the shaft of the femur, usually caused by falls in older adults. Pain is acute and movement of the leg is severely limited. Surgical treatment is common, involving screws and plates. Comminuted femur fracture. The bone is shattered into multiple fragments. This type of fracture causes extreme pain due to the complexity and instability of the break. Often associated with high-impact trauma and requires complex surgical repair. Risk of damage to surrounding muscles, blood vessels, and nerves increases pain and complications. Why femur fractures are among the most painful. The femur supports the body's weight and is surrounded by large muscles and major blood vessels. Fractures cause severe bleeding, swelling, and muscle spasm. Surgical repair is often required, and recovery is long and painful. Complications such as blood clots, nerve injury, and infection can worsen pain and outcomes. Follow Dr. Vegapunk more about human body.